Angela.
I'm Leah.
And we out here.
Hey y'all. So we took a cruise on the Norwegian Viva. We ported out of Athens, and we're just really excited. We just entered our room. You got to put the key card in there to keep the lights on. I don't know what this is. I wonder if this is oh, nice. It's hot. I mean, it's really cold, so I'm gonna turn this up a little bit. Make it a little warm in here for us.
You trying to sweat us out?
Yes, I am. I don't know if these are their hangers or somebody left them, because typically the hangers don't look like that in the room, but I'll take it. Got some closet space. More closet space. It looks like that might be a shoe rack or something down there. Not quite sure. Closes nicely like that. Got a full-size mirror here. To the right, we have a bathroom. It's a small step up. Okay, the bathroom's nice. You have the shower there. The shower is bigger than the hotel shower we were at yesterday. The sink here. Got a lot of bathroom space. Toilet. They gave us a nice coat rack here. We ordered our waters. Those have arrived. A little vanity chair here. You can do your makeup, your hair, whatever. They got some different types of plugs here. Choose your choice. And they have a pull-out couch here. If there were more than two of us, that's where the other person would stay. Oh, more plugs. Look at that. Nice. And we have a nightstand. Nice size bed. I wonder if it's soft. Let's see. Okay, it's all right. We'll see what it's like when we get in it. Another nightstand with plugs. And then we're still at the port, so not quite a view yet, but the balcony is a nice size. We can sit there and check out some things. For this to be such a large ship, we really were not that impressed by the pool deck. So there was just this one small pool. They had other little small pools like on the sides of the ship, but those things filled up extremely, extremely quickly. But it was also really cold, so I was surprised people were using those. This was a slide. They had two slides on this ship, and they were fun. Angela's coming down it now. There's a line upstairs. You jump on, you step there. The floor drops, and then you come down the slide. A lot of people who were coming down were screaming. Angela said it wasn't too bad. They also had this 24-hour ice cream that was like available for you to just grab. It was just like chocolate, swirl, vanilla. I think they need to add strawberry to it. That would make it really good, rather than just chocolate and vanilla. This is the speedway area. Looks like they have different games and things. They have a list where it says available activities. Here are the rules. The wave water slide, tea time bullseye, race track check-in. What's this called?
Different activity. It's called the Stadium.
Oh.
Like they have some type of you can kick the soccer ball.
Okay.
I guess you can play a little racquetball in there, maybe.
Tennis or something? Okay.
A little bit of shuffleboard, I guess.
This area seemed really cool, but the couple times that we went up here, there was never anyone there. I don't know if it's because it doesn't fit the crowd of the ship, or if because some of these areas had an extra fee attached to it. Like there's an extra cost to use some of these games and things. So that kind of turned me off of it from engaging. But also it is upstairs at the top level, and it was rainy and cold a lot. So we went on this cruise in October, and we were in like places like Greece where it was kind of cold by that time and rainy and wet. So being up there in the open was not ideal. and then you add to that a fee on top of what we already paid. Yeah. And then not only that, but Norwegian in general tends to attract an older crowd, and I was wondering if this is their thing or not. I don't know. I don't want to stereotype and say that people don't like to do this, but I didn't see anybody there. And then right above was the racetrack, right above this, which was pretty cool, but we didn't do that either. And there is a cost attached to the race car track as well. Now, this, of course, is beautiful when you look over and you can see the water. That was really nice. But in general, you try it and see if you like it.
This is who we're seeing. Comedian Park.
This is where all the shows and cool entertainment was. Now, the cool thing about this is that the bottom level, like, I don't know how they got those chairs down there, but at some points, it's just floor. There's no chairs, and they turn it into like a party, into like a club area for some evenings. And then some evenings, those chairs are there, which was pretty cool. And they have like the This shows.
is our
Beetlejuice
view
was really good.
today.
Beautiful.
Naboo. And see how beautiful the restaurant is.
Y'all be sure to like this video, comment down below. Let us know what you think about Norwegian cruises. What do you think about the Viva ship if you've ever been on it? Do you plan on getting on the Viva ship? If so, where is it? Where is it porting out of, and where are you headed to? And then subscribe to our channel. We post weekly videos every single Friday, and then we post reels and shorts about 3 times a week. So when you subscribe to our channel, you will get consistent content from us. Like, comment, and subscribe. So this area of the ship is kind of like where you can see all the different awards and accolades that either the ships or the captains have earned or won in the past years or since the creation of the ship. I thought it was pretty cool. They have this on all the Norwegians that we've been on. Well, listen, we only been on 2, but it's been in there in both. This area, you can probably see it in one good go, if not in multiple days. But it's just kind of a cute area to walk through and kind of view. But there's no real activity in here if that's what you're looking for. Kind of just to learn some stuff about the ship. And then they have this small version of the ship, this model, which I think was pretty cool. Now they have this thing called the Galaxy Pavilion, and it just looks cool. I don't know if it has some other function other than to walk through looking cool, but we enjoyed the walkthrough and seeing it. It does lead to the arcade. Now the arcade is really nice, okay? But there is an additional fee attached to the arcade. And for me, I like paying all my money up front and not having to worry about additional fees. So I didn't purchase anything in the arcade. We kind of just walked through to show you all. Looks cool. Again, there weren't many children on the ship, so there weren't many people in the arcade. Not to say that adults don't go to the arcade, but usually this tends to be like where the teenagers and the kids hang out. And there weren't very many kids or teenagers on our ship for this round, or the last Norwegian ship we went on either. It was during Christmas time that time. There weren't many children there. So again, I wonder if some of these activities that they create on the ship are good in ideas, but not really catering to their population, to who their consumer or who their customers are. Just my opinion, but I'm not the expert here. They are. So they'll continue to do what works for them, their money, and their ship. But we enjoyed our time. There is always different activities, always something to do on this ship, so you'll never get bored. There's food everywhere 24/7, so you'll never go hungry. And it's just a beautiful ship to be on, to look at. We got the ship for you to view it both during the day, and here it is at night as well when we're walking back from an excursion. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please let us know what you think. Again, like this video, comment down below, let us know what you think, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.
All right, y'all. It's been sweet.
Check us out next week
When we out here
in these streets. Peace.